Yeah, there we go.
Okay.
Okay.
And we have Nikki, camera girl 1, going to give us a trial run here on the Bell 222 Airwolf. And let's fire her up. Looking good. All right. Oh my gosh. Grace under pressure. Look at that. Girls, helicopters. Surf day today, April 22nd, so we're using electric and we're staying green. Very nice. Very nice. Very subtle. Taking slow steps. She's a newbie, but we all have a first day. Look at that. Got a little propeller wash, so she's bringing it up a little more. Very nice. Very nice. All right. Whoa, nice. That's what we call an inverted corkscrew. It's a trick that camera girl 1 has come up with. So a little rolling takeoff. Pirouette. Touch and go. Looking good. Looking good. Oh my gosh. So smooth. No, wait, what is it? The Waltera 180 CQ? CV? Look at her go.